The fourth in our series on how to use the DistrictBuilder software will cover the Statistics panel. The Statistics panel was designed to give you constantly updated statistical feedback as you draw your districts. There are several important sections of the panel you should become familiar with. At the top, you'll notice an arrow. You can click on the arrow to minimize the Statistics panel if you want to give yourself more editing space on the screen. Simply click the arrow again to reveal the Stats panel. The next item to note is the Stats Options dropdown. The administrator of each instance of DistrictBuilder will determine which spatial and demographic statistics to include in each predefined set. In this case, we have a basic information panel that lists geographic stats and a demographics panel that displays several demographic statistics. Next is a small section for plan summary statistics, or stats that take each and every district into account. These will vary from implementation to implementation of DistrictBuilder. In the case of New York, you can see that the administrator has chosen to display a summary of how many districts currently meet the target population per district, as well as how many districts met the minimum plan requirements for majority-minority districts as measured by Asian, Black, and Hispanic voting age population. The basic statistics panel that we're looking at now includes a column for each district currently on the map, the total population, which is colored to match the total population target thematic map, a column for contiguity, which measures whether the geographies that make up each district are contiguous. It is important to note that in most regions, single-point contiguity is not permitted, so the contiguity measure is based on multi-point contiguity. However, in some special cases, like in the case of Philadelphia City Council redistricting, single-point contiguity is allowed, in which case the administrator of the software has the choice to have the software measure contiguity based on a single touching point. A green checkbox icon means the district is contiguous. If the icon is a red exclamation point, it means that the district is comprised of some non-contiguous geographies. The final column describes a measure of compactness for each district. The software supports the measure and display of several different measurements of compactness, though often the administrator will choose one particular measure to display in this column. The demographic statistics panel includes several demographic statistics. Again, these default demographics are determined by the administrator of each website and can be chosen from any demographics that have been uploaded into the implementation of DistrictBuilder. In the case of New York, the administrators have chosen to display Asian, Black, and Hispanic voting age populations to guide users in the process of drawing a district to meet majority-minority requirements. An administrator might also choose to display stats on voting history, a measure of partisan index, or information about other elections and demographic statistics. In addition to the standard default panels, any user of the site can create their own custom stats panels that include other statistics available in the database. Click on the Edit Stats button at the top of the panel. For each set, and a single user can create up to 3 sets, select up to 3 statistics for display. Name your statistic set and save your set. The set will now appear in the Stats panel dropdown. You can also delete or edit panels you have already created through the Edit Stats window.